How is your experience in career school?
Actually, I gained a lot of confidence after coming from the day one till now. Actually, I'm ready for an interview today.
Okay.
If you ask the same question at the day one, I will be quite nervous.
I really build my confidence here. It's really good to learn from here.
Yeah, I'm learning about communication skills, etc., technical skills, etc.
నేను ఫస్ట్లో ఇక్కడికి రాకముందు చాలా టెన్షన్ పడేదాన్ని, జాబ్ వస్తుందా రాదా అని కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉండేది కాదు. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాక చాలా కొద్దిగా కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వచ్చింది. నేను జాబ్ కంపల్సరీ ప్లేస్మెంట్ అవుతాననే నమ్మకం నాకు వచ్చింది.
And now I am a bit sure that I can be placed. And I learned really, it's a good experience.
இந்த டேட்டா அனலிட்டிக்ஸ் கிளாஸில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பேசிக் எக்ஸல் ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஷீட்லேருந்து பைவட் டேபிள் கிரியேட் பண்ணுற வரைக்கும் இப்போதைக்கு நான் வந்து லேர்ன் பண்ணிட்டேன். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி எனக்கு அந்த காலேஜில் அப்போ நான் பிகாம் படிச்சும் போது எனக்கு இது தெரியாமல் இருந்துச்சு. இப்போ இந்த கரியர் ஸ்கூல் மூலிமா நான் வந்து டேட்டா அனலிட்டிக்ஸ் கற்றுக்கிட்டு